Hello, everybody. This is your trader next door, and it's been a while since I created a video. But I thought that let's just begin in terms of trading again, and I can probably just give you a quick update on the trades that I have entered today. It's approximately it's 9:48 a.m. So I just entered these trades. I had some positions yesterday, which I just booked here, so you can see that. But this is basically my new trades that I've just entered, and I just wanted to talk through these trades and just probably give you a logic as to why I entered these trades. So currently, as I speak, it's 7th of May, 9:48 a.m., and Nifty is currently at 14,850. It's a gap up opening in the last half an hour or so. So basically, what I've done is I have bought 14,800 put and 14,900 call, two lots each, right? And what I've also done is for the week I have sold 14,000 put. I don't remember exactly the count of lots, but whatever my account allows, so or the funds allow. So basically, I have sold 14,000 put, and on the upper side, I have sold for May 15,600 call. The reason being, Nifty has never touched 15,600 ever, and even if the market keeps shooting up despite all the coronavirus cases, etc., I do see that even if it goes up, there could be some kind of resistance on the upper side, and it may not just keep going up in one go. Even though today, it shows 26,000 loss, but it's fine. I should be able to cover up eventually with what I've covered today in terms of booked already, and how this whole algorithm in how this combination looks, because this is just the beginning of the new trades for the week. The way I see it is, my week is like from Friday till Thursday, considering the expiry, etc. Now, one question that you may have is, why have I chosen 15,600 call for May, uh, May end, and not probably for next week, something like that? The reason being, the premiums are too less on the call side. So if you look at this, so like right now 14,850 is where Nifty is at, and if I see 15,300 call, for 12th May, all I'm getting is 6 rupees, right, as premium. And if I'm looking to sell, I would just want a bit of a higher premium on the other. And this is a lot, I actually sold this yesterday just before market close, and I do that purposely on Thursday, because every Friday, again, typically you will see that the market is gap up or gap down, and similarly it happens on Monday. So I just look at the amount of premium where I'm getting. So similarly, like today, this 14,100 put is what I had sold yesterday, right? I already made 19 grand there. The reason for that is, now look at this. So yesterday I sold it for just before market close. On Thursday expiry, I sold it at 21 rupees, and today, the moment market opened, it reduced by 50%, and now it's just hovering around there. Now this is already 11 rupees, right? Now if I'm but as this is in minus, this call is in minus, so to negate the impact of that, I still need to have a position which will counter this 15,600 call position. Now so of course I have to sell a put again, but for the put to be sold, now if you notice, this was for this week. The put that I had sold for this week was for 12th May, but because it's already reduced to 11 rupees, I have two options. Either I choose a closer strike price like 14,300 or something for this week to get more premium, or I choose the following week in which I'm getting more premium and at a further strike price. The reason that I'm not comfortable coming closer to this week for this strike price for this week, वो इसलिए है because right now it's 14,850. The Friday has just started. You never know how the day goes. So in the second half, typically on a Friday you see profit booking. So, and on Monday there's a gap up or gap down. So there'll be, and it's a literally a strangle from that standpoint. If I'm selling options, I don't want it to reach that strike price, right? Logic वो है तो so 14 तभी I've looked at a further strike price. So even if let's say Monday गैप डाउन भी होता है, कोई बात नहीं, ये नेगेटिव में जाएगा तो ये पॉजिटिव में जाएगा. प्लस द प्रोटेक्शन दैट आई हैव इज़ ग्रेट. सो the 14,800 put and 14,900 call is in a way my protection. I can add more lots to this, but right now I'm just waiting and seeing how it goes. The reason why I say this is protection is because अगर इसको अगर market गिरता है, let's say if the market falls on Monday or later half of the day today as well on Friday, if it falls, then this put will start spiking, right? And this will of course go in negative. But look at the strike price difference. Agar if Nifty has to go to 14,000, this put, which is currently at 114 rupees, has to become 800 rupees, right? Close to 800 rupees. That's a huge profit. So even if this is going in negative, ये 800 रुपये, अब 800 रुपये जाएगा मुझे नहीं लगता, बट अगर जाएगा तो कोई बात नहीं, कहीं से तो मैं कमाऊंगा ही. और देन कॉल ये जो है 27,000 नेगेटिव में, ये पॉजिटिव में हो जाएगा. सिमिलरली अभी ये 15,600 है जो मैंने बेचा हुआ है कॉल, और ये 14,900 है. अगर इस हफ्ते में जो आने वाला हफ्ता है, इफ़ इफ निफ्टी इज़ गोइंग अप टू, लेट्स से इट्स रियली शूटिंग अप, देन दिस कॉल प्राइस विल गो अप. If this call price is going up, then this put size will go in further profit. I keep coming closer, and this has to become almost 700, because the difference is 15,600 to 14,900 between what I have sold as a call and what I bought as a call. So ये literally इसको 700 रुपये होना पड़ेगा, which is again a huge profit. So वो थोड़ा safe zone है. So that's how I do it. So that's what I wanted to share. This is what it currently looks like. So I'm just waiting, and I think at least for the first half of the day my trades are basically done. I do want to call out, I really like this new feature in Zerodha in terms of Greeks. It tells you, it updates real time in terms of positions in Greeks. So Greeks में मैं कुछ नहीं देखता हूँ, मैं बस देखता हूँ मेरा डेल्टा और थीटा कितना है. Delta minus 143 means that every point that Nifty goes down, I'll make 143 rupees. So I want Nifty to go down basis my current position, but it may change as to how I do the adjustments. And my theta is about 13,000. And consider that this is all approximate numbers, right? So it also gives you an idea कि अगर Nifty यहीं पे रहा 12th में तक तो कितना बनेगा, ऊपर जाएगा तो कितना बनेगा, and range कितना रहेगा, what is the range that I'm looking at. So right now 15,046 कि अगर ऊपर गया 12th में तक तो मेरा लॉस होगा, बट वो करंट स्टेट पे है. बट आई विल कीप adjusting through the week and I'll kind of negate for that loss. So I'm pretty comfortable with where I am right now. So okay, so that's pretty much it, and I'll kind of share an update as well, either on Twitter, on my Twitter page, and you can join me on Twitter as well. I'm very active on Twitter, and I have a Telegram page too, but I'm not too active on that, and I'm guilty of that. I'll try to change that, but yeah, Twitter is something that I prefer. And YouTube, I've created a video after a long time, so please do share your feedback. I hope it helped you just to gain some knowledge. And if there's any questions, any feedback, please feel free to reach out to me either on Twitter, or you can even comment on the video below. So thank you so much, and have a nice rest of your day. Thanks.